Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Gemini man miss you. To begin, it is crucial to give him ample space to explore his many interests and hobbies. Simultaneously, cultivate your own vibrant social life and personal passions. Engage him in open, intellectual conversations about diverse topics, demonstrating your sharp mind. Always showcase your independence and adventurous spirit. This combination will make him appreciate your unique qualities and desire your presence. To truly spark his curiosity, share intriguing snippets of your day, leaving him wanting to know more about your adventures. Consistently introduce new ideas and exciting experiences into your conversations, keeping things fresh and stimulating. Embrace a fun, positive unpredictability. This will keep him guessing and engaged. Frequent lighthearted banter and witty exchanges are also key to capturing and holding his attention, making him think of you. Building a deeper connection involves sharing genuine laughter and enjoying many lighthearted moments together. Be a truly supportive listener to his thoughts, dreams, and aspirations, showing you value his inner world. Plan spontaneous, exciting activities that you both genuinely enjoy, creating memorable experiences. Always show sincere appreciation for his unique qualities and sharp intellect. This will foster a strong bond and make him miss your presence. To sustain his interest long-term, continuously evolve and grow as an individual, always presenting new facets of yourself. Maintain a delightful sense of mystery and newness in your interactions, ensuring he never feels he has you completely figured out. Crucially, respect his inherent need for freedom and constant intellectual stimulation. Finally, be genuinely confident in yourself and your unique personality. This self-assuredness is incredibly attractive and will make him miss you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.